In front of me is REALME Narzo 35G, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and reach Backup and Reset. And here under Google Backup, click on Backup Accounts, but firstly make sure that this icon is active. If it's not, just mark the switcher to turn it on, and then click on Backup Accounts. And connect your device to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to activate your Google account, and then provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And tap on Next then. Then provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on Next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just tap on I agree. Tap on More Than, Accept. And that's it. As you can see, your backup has been activated, and it includes app sign-up data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK, and now smoothly use your device. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.